Hello guys, this is Roll's video and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna fix this smartphone. It's a Xiaomi Redmi 2 smartphone, and the problem on this smartphone is that it's difficult to turn this on. So we're going to try to find what's the problem behind here, because even I try to press the power on here, it will not turn on. Alright, so we're going to try to charge this phone here with our charger here. If we're going to see any response or any lights on the screen. Alright, let's try that. Gonna plug this charger on the outlet here. Okay, as we can see here, there is the Xiaomi Mi logo. Alright, I'm gonna try to press the power button here. Alright, even trying to pressing the power button long press, it won't turn on, but it's charging. Alright, it's good that there's power on the phone. I think there's a problem on this power button. We're going to remove the charger now, and we're going to inspect this phone here, and we're going to remove the back cover of this phone. Alright, I can see that the phone is very clean, and there's a micro SD card here, or memory card. Alright. Okay, when I press this, I'm gonna try to power on this here without using its power button keypad here. I'm gonna try that. Alright, there you go, it turned on. I'm gonna wait if for its okay, so it's loading now. So I think the problem here, it is the contact with its power button. Not only this one, I think everything here is already wears off. Alright, so we're gonna try to do a easy or quick fix regarding on this one, so that we can switch on or turn on our phone. I'm gonna press a home power button here. Okay, so after trying here many times, as you can see there, the home screen, I think everything is just working fine, and the problem here is the contact between the keypads or for its power button and on this here. So we're going to do a quick fix, trying to put something here that will be able to make contact on its power button instead of replacing a new one, because I think the rubber here is already wears off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some rubber here so that I will be able to insert it on this contacts on this power button, the volume button, the up and down volume button. Alright, going to cut some rubber here so that we can put there. Okay, so we already cut some rubber here, which are these 3 pieces small rubbers from this one, and we're going to use this, and we're going to place it here on its power button here, also in the volume down and the volume up. Alright. Alright, let's try to turn this on here. There you go. Pressing volume down. Alright, the volume goes down and goes volume up. Alright. Alright, we're going to try to turn off using our power button here, which we already did. There you go, it turned off, turn on, and let's try to press the volume down. Okay, so it worked. Just placing rubbers on its keypad here, just to make a contact between these buttons, power button and the volume buttons on this phone. Alright, so we already did a quick fix on this, and if you like this video, click like the button, subscribe, and thank you for watching.